So do you want some sparkle in your paint? Do you want a little bit of bling bling in that thing? Stay tuned.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today we're gonna be spraying these two panels, hood, fender, and we're gonna be doing it with the, say it with me, HYCHIKA. I'm gonna spray it with the HYCHIKA, okay? I have some nice green color I'm gonna put down over it. Code is L2A2. It's like a Porsche, Volkswagen code. So we got that, but then we also have some Yes Oh Great pigment powder, okay? Chameleon powder, gold, green, and blue. 3 grams of that we're gonna put down over the parts and see what we can get it looking like, you know? And we're not gonna put it in the clear this time. This time I'm gonna put it in a clear base coat, a inner coat, put that over the base, and then clear it. So it's gonna be a full 3-stage, just to see if we can get you guys some professional looking results with an electric sprayer, okay? And we'll see what's up. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we'll get to it.
Okay, the paint is mixed 1-to-1, okay? That's 1 part base, 1 part reducer. Or you can look at it as half and half. Half base, half reducer. Or 50-50. 50% base, 50% reducer. I tell you, boy, no matter how I say it, I'll still get questions on how you mix the paint, how you reduce it. It's like, you know, I don't know, man. I'm trying. Okay, make sure your siphon tube is always straight in line with the gun. That's happened to me a couple times. I wasn't paying attention and it was turned, and it can mess you up in the middle of your job. So always make sure that thing is pointed straight when you start spraying, and you'll be good.
Trigger man, hey bro, man, you had this thing rocking, bro. Man, I had my speakers up. Man, I was on my table doing the P Diddy dance. Take that. You know, but with no baby oil. Yeah, Trigger Troll ain't with that freaky shit, man. Yeah, ain't do that freaky stuff. Yeah, Trigger, that was a good jam, bro. Anyway, back to the video. I see you scuffing everything with 800 grits. trying to get less dirt as possible. Most of your dirt is gonna come in the first coat. So you take the 800 and then you put more coats on. You know, even if you're a DIY guy, you don't want no more dirt. You want less dirt. You know. Any guy's trying to say Trigger is not doing it for the DIY people because he's in a spray booth. Man, Trigger, any people be having the nut crossed on you, bro. I don't know what's up with these suckers. It's clogged up. You just take this stuff off. Wipe it off the sandpaper, okay? You don't want to use the same sandpaper and keep sanding and sanding because you'll get scratches and stuff, you know? But yeah, Trigger, they're trying to say he's not DIY. They act like they're in the middle of the damn highway painting cars. Like they're on the sidewalk while the skateboarders are around them. Like, man, be for real. You're in 3 walls, a roof, and a door. Same thing. Quit being a player hater. Okay, Trigger. Now you're putting on your last coat of base. Alright. Should definitely get less dirt in that one, Trigger. But okay, bro. I'm gonna go ahead, sit back, and see what you're doing here. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
Okay, so yeah, they try to say Trigger wasn't doing this like a real DIY guy because I'm in a spray booth. So when I spray all those other jobs over in the middle of the shop with the doors wide open, palm trees blowing, what's that? Don't try to discredit Trigger because your work come out looking like shit. To be honest with you, I can do this on Mars without a problem. Won't miss a beat. Floating around in a spacesuit, still spraying, okay? So don't poke the bear. Let me just paint in peace. And if you spray with an electric sprayer, if it comes out looking like crap, embrace it. Just get better. Now, for my guys, trying to give you guys the most, I'm gonna say, professional, just a decent job, you know. Usually I throw this stuff inside the clear. The clear is kind of doesn't look right with the pigment sitting in there. So I'm just trying to replicate how this would be done if you are really doing this type of job in a professional environment. Best I can with an electric sprayer, okay? And also rushing to get out of here. But I wanted to a little bit of trash. How can I have that in such a perfect environment, huh? Boy, they be having their nuts crossed, boy, I tell you. Okay, so now we're going with some Yes Oh Great pigment powder. It's 3 grams. You can find this on Amazon, eBay. I'll try to throw up a link if I remember to, but yeah, it's just Yes Oh Great chameleon pigment powder. Google it, probably everywhere, okay? I ordered it way back. They sent me a big batch of a whole bunch of different colors. So the HYCHIKA still going strong, no issues yet. I've done 10 or 11 jobs with it. So far, no problem. Ran probably 3 gallons or more of thinner through it, cleaning it. It hasn't exploded in my face yet, like a lot of the guys were saying it's gonna do. The seals haven't bust. The foam at the top of the canister there, that hasn't fallen apart. Like all these things the guys are saying is gonna happen, it hasn't happened yet. So I'll keep using it here and there, updating you guys on how it's working, but no problems. Guys are wanting me to test out all these different sprayers. There's no need when you have the HYCHIKA. There's no need. Okay, so yeah, couple coats of this here pigment powder, And it's basically just right over it, back to back, no biggie. And I'm delayed a little bit, as you can see. I'm putting the gun down. I'm taking it right off the stand to show you guys. Trying to be as transparent with you as possible, less editing. So that's the reason you'll see I kind of pause for a second sometimes, put the gun down, take the camera right off the stand and show you guys how I've always done. Transparency is key with Trigger, okay? Now, please drop a comment and let me know if you would like to see me go and do this in the middle of a playground or on the highway so that I can be classified as the DIY guys, you know? Yeah. Like, yeah, Trigger's work comes out exceptionally awesome because he's in an ideal spray booth, downdraft. Yeah, all of it. Down. Look at the downdraft I got. Yeah, but they say it, you know? Man, these suckers can't catch up, man, I tell you. Yeah, state of the art, 1956, built with bricks and sticks. Look at it. Filters, my filters got holes in them from the cats jumping through. Like, yeah, state of the art. See that hole right there? Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. See that hole down there in the back where the cats come in and out, jump on my paintwork, jump on the hood of cars. Like, I don't make excuses, man. And you already know about all the gaps in my doors. I don't make excuses, man. I just make results, you know? If they practice that, man, their work would be impeccable, man, you know? If I really complained about stuff in the booth, if I aim the camera up and show you the holes where it rains in the booth, like the drywall falling down, like, I don't do that, you know? Just make results, man, you know? Like I said, I can do this on Mars, man. Like, they don't get it. They don't get it. They don't get it, man. State of the art facility. Man, these dudes, man. So yeah, so that's 2 coats of base, 2 coats of the pigment powder in the inner coat clear base coat, and then 2 coats of the AmTech clear. And that's what we got. All right, we got it done, This is what we're looking like, Beautiful. Man, this thing's switching so many colors. I don't know who is who and what's what no more. But yeah, looking very good. It's raining out right now, so I'm not gonna be able to get it out in the sun. But yeah, man, looking real good. Real good. Not bad for an electric spray gun. But yeah, it's raining out now, and I want to finish this video tonight. Let's see.
Yeah, see, we got rain out. It's raining. And I want to complete this video and upload it for you guys tomorrow. So we're not going to get it out in the sun. But at least you got to, you know what's what. You know what's up, man. You know? From the electric. From the electric. Like I said before, no, it will not replace. It will not replace the air-driven spray guns. But for somebody want a little shine and a little bling bling on their car, man, this is more than suitable, okay? So that's gonna do it on this one. Another one with the HYCHIKA. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
So this is what it looks like with the lights off under an LED light. Man, that thing was sparkling every which way, every color under the rainbow. And no, we're not talking about the Rainbow Ranch, okay? No, not that channel. We're talking about the colors under the rainbow, like Skittles. Look at them all. Yeah, it was beautiful, man. It was real nice. I did get some striping in the hood, and I believe it is because I was rushing, trying to get this done. Put the clear on right after I put the inner coat with the pigments in there. So therefore, when you do that, you know, the clear will cause those pigments to shift a little. So when you're doing this from home, just make sure to give enough flash time. I was able to get the parts out in the sun. I was leaving to go home, getting in my truck, and I noticed the sun was out, so I ran back over, pulled everything out. But yeah, when you're doing something like this, give an extended amount of flash time when you're putting the clear over those pigment powders, because if they're not dry, that clear coat will shift those powders. It will shift it, the metallics, okay? So that was my thing. I put it on there. I figured it was going to happen, but I just wanted to give you an idea of results that you can get with an electric sprayer like the HYCHIKA. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up if you did like the video. I ask that you would please share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.